Want to save $60 on your Davidson County marriage license and ensure you have all the correct documents for the courthouse? If you are planning to get married in Nashville or anywhere in Davidson County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Davidson County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay the full price, and you can legally marry the exact same day you apply. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed professional counselor here in Tennessee. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Davidson County process, what documents you need, and the specific Tennessee law that saves you money. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Davidson County Clerk's office is $99.50. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour premarital course before applying, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $60. That brings your total cost at the clerk's window down to an incredibly low $39.50. Unlike some states, Tennessee does not force couples to wait. The moment the Davidson County Clerk hands you your license, you can legally get married that exact same day. But there is a catch. Your marriage license expires strictly 30 days after the date it is issued. Because of this short window, do not apply for your license months in advance. To get this $60 discount under Tennessee Code, annotated section 36-6-413, you just need to take our state-approved 4-hour online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our curriculum is self-paced and 100% online, costing only $27.49. But here is the most crucial part for Tennessee. The county clerk will absolutely reject a printed PDF. That is why we personally sign, notarize, and mail your physical original certificate of completion directly to your home via USPS, so you don't get turned away at the courthouse. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. Pro tip: you can fill out the pre-application online on the Davidson County Clerk's website to save a ton of time in the lobby. You must visit the main office located in the Howard Office Building at 700 President Ronald Reagan Way, Suite 101 in Nashville. Hand the clerk your original notarized Cadenza counseling certificate, along with valid government-issued photo IDs and proof of your Social Security numbers. They will instantly apply your $60 discount and issue your active license right there. To claim your $60 Davidson County discount and receive your notarized state certificate, click the link in the description below to register for our official Tennessee premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Nashville marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.